Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So as you can see this question statement that was part of 1st June 2024 IELTS exam that had happened in India. So if you are from other country and if you know the question statement, please do text me in my comment section, and let's do this type of question, that is discuss both views question is there. So what you have to do after getting the question paper and all, of course you will be doing paraphrasing, you know it, 40 minutes you will be provided, and after 40 at least 5 minutes you have to do practice, and last 5 minutes what you will be doing, you have to reread your essay. When you will be doing your proofreading of your own essay, you will get your own errors, mistakes in grammar and spellings, comma and all. You can improve your own band scores by rechecking your essay. So 10 minutes are gone. Now 30 minutes are more than enough to write any essay. If you have done more practice, then definitely within 20 or 25 minutes you can finish your essay. Okay, so it's important to plan your essay. So we are doing planning initially, and then we will discuss how to write introduction and conclusion. Some people think that the government should invest money in art and cultural events, while others believe that government should spend money on more important things. So some people are saying government should invest money on in arts and cultural things, and others are saying other important things are also in the country, such as education, medical, healthcare, you can say, transportation system, security system, means defense system, industries and all, creation of more jobs. So people are supporting this, and some people are supporting investment in art and cultural things, means indirectly artist kind of thing. So there are two point of view, and he has asked you give your opinion. So definitely we will also give our opinion. So before brainstorming, so you can decide which side you are going to say that you are favoring former point of view, first point of view, or second point of view. You can decide it, and you have to decide your own reason also why you are supporting second or first opinion. Okay, now as you know, there are some rules for writing task 1. Of course we have to write 250 minimum words. So 250, and of course within 250 words also you can write good essay if you are not doing any error or any mistakes in grammar and sentence structures and all. Then of course, but I would say this good essay will go up to 280 or 300 definitely. If you are explaining well, then it can go 300 and 310 also sometimes. And of course that we have done. You can pause the screen and reread the question statement again. Now main topic, after reading the question statement we need to find the main topic. Main topic here is they are debating about government spending, where to spend, on arts or important things. Important things, as I already told you, about basic infrastructure and all, and arts and culture, things like supporting these artisans, painters and all, and definitely some projects also. So why these people are saying, and why these people are saying spend money on important things, why spend money on art? So let's brainstorm one by one. So these are my points. So why people are saying for arts? Because it is important for the preservation of history and culture through painting, and a stylish, artistic kind of buildings, temples, museums, and so many things. So it is important for any country's historical things. And next is, nowadays like if we go to, if we visit any exhibition or old historical buildings, then there is some different kind of relaxation. We are when we are visiting these places, we feel that we are in past. So that kind of things also important for de-stress modern people. And third one is, government should encourage and organize some money for exhibitions to support these artisan and paintings in other countries also, not only in the domestic country, but also internationally. They should support their art and culture by spending money. Now others are saying, others are supporting that important things like improvement in literacy rate, poverty, removal of poverty, security and military funding, you can say, medical health. So if country is not secure, then there is no point of doing spending money on arts and culture. Okay, so medical health is also important, establishment of more hospitals, medical colleges also, so that doctors, nurses will come out for the society. Basic infrastructures like you can say here transportation, also transport system, you can say, so including everything, roads, airlines, railways and all. So many things are there. Schooling also, educational institution, and also here it will, educational institution will come here. Okay, many points I have explained. Now coming to introduction, how to write introduction, it's important. First, if you are beginner and if you have done so many practices, but you feel, if you feel that your introduction is not good, you are not satisfied, then find my introduction useful, then let's have a look. Okay, so this is question statement. So introduction, as I told you, what, 3 sentence structure formula, 3 sentences in introduction you can write, more than 3 also you can write, but simple things I will tell you. uh, First sentence will be about general sentence about the main topic, means hook, you can say, the introduction of the topic. From here to here, this black one is introduction and general sentence about the topic. From here to here, this blue pen, this is paraphrasing of question statement, means second sentence. Third, from here to here, this is your point of view, what you are going to discuss in the upcoming paragraphs, means your opinion. First, general sentence about the topic, paraphrasing of question statement, and then your opinion. Okay, so next, let me show you the question statement again. So topic was government spending. Okay, it is true that, so I have started with it is true that, or it is considered that, it is noted that many old historical buildings, monuments and other things preserve old historical or history of any country, which is possible only through the presence of these artists, painters and craftsmen. So this is general sentence I have given about the main topic. Okay, but main topic you will be saying government spending was there, you can write government spending also. Okay, so I have written this and you can write something about government spending. And yes, you can add over here, because I have highlighted the historical arts and culture, which is possible only through presence of artisans, craftsmen, which were supported by the government of the country's government. Okay, you can just write through kings or empires funding, you can write it, then it will be combination of main topic and this topic. Now paraphrasing, therefore many historians, no, of course, historical building related persons, they will say, historians feel that art skilled laborers are entitled to federal financial assistance, whereas others oppose. So here I was about to write economist, those who want that money should be spending on important things rather than art and culture. So here you can say, while other economists oppose that such government spending, and rather oppose that such government spending and rather support funding of other more serious concerns in the particular nations. So I have not given such as or like, you can give that thing, but here I am giving my reason. Personally, I feel that latter point of view has valid reasons, because of security concerns, poverty and other basic infrastructure to be prime, to be considered as prime to develop any nation, that you can do. And one more line you can write here, both points has their own have their own valid points. Okay, valid reasons. Now this is introduction for this thing. So here this is optional. If you can't think about the general sentence about the main topic, then coming to the main, it is then you can start with direct paraphrasing of question statement and your opinion. Now conclusion. It is important to write conclusion. Conclusion again means you have to rewrite the question statement and give your opinion, means whatever you have given points in the paragraphs you can just rename here, only no explanation, only rename. So how I have written, using all those sentence structure. In conclusion, although spending state fundings, means government funding, on arts and cultural events is justified on the basis of history, preservation and providing more earnings through events. So these points we have planned only. According to my viewpoint, basic requirements like better healthcare, basic education, removal of poverty and most significant security expenses through defense budgets should be considered more significant, especially for underdeveloped or developing nation. So all the sentence structure and after comma, according to my opinion. So this is, after although means weaker point, it should come first, and then whatever the point you are supporting you should write like that. And it is suggested that distribution of government treasure towards the growth of infrastructure first, then arts and artists will come. Okay, so this suggestion I have given, and this is conclusion, you can note it. Yes, this is conclusion with question statement, and this is my introduction.